Guys, welcome to Android Studio Tutorials Basics. So in these tutorials, I'm going to tell you the basics of Android Studio. So let's begin. So in this tutorial, we are going to solve this question which is about add a button in any layout. The name of the button should be a string with resource name, btn underscore name, and resource value. Click here. So after adding resource name and resource value, check out strings file. So guys, today I'm going to show you how you can add a button in any layout, whether it's constraint, relative, or some other. So let's begin. So here you can see this is a constraint layout. Here it's written. So I'm going to solve that question which has been asked. So let's solve it. Click on the palette. After that you will see the command. Click on it and here you will find the button. Just simply click on it and drag it and drop it on the layout, and you can see the button has been added to the constraint layout. So now we will add constraints to it. As you can see, let us remove this hello world text view. As you can see, it has been deleted, and now we will add constraints to it. As you can see, the 4 constraints has been added to the button. Now we will add the resource name, which is btn underscore name, and resource value, which is click here. So as you can see at this side, this is written hard coded string. Just click on it, double click on it, and from here expand it, and you can see here it's written suggested fix extract string resource. Just click on this fix. After that, here you can see it's written resource name and resource value. So here we have to add btn underscore name, and the value was click here. After that, you can see we have added the resource name, which is btn underscore name, and resource value, which is click here. After that, click on OK. As you can see, the button 2 has been given a text which is string slash btn underscore name and value. Click here. You can see it's written. So the next thing was that check out the strings.xml file. So you can see here it is in values strings.xml. Click on it and you can see the btn underscore name and value of resource has been added. This was just a simple code of line. So guys, this was the simple and basics of Android Studio tutorial 1. So guys, subscribe my YouTube channel, get information and knowledge, and click on the notification bell on all to get a notification about my latest information and knowledge videos.